Kids arrive at the beginning of the year with all different levels of writing abilities, and by the end of kindergarten, we expect the kids to be writing complete sentences and stories. To get them to this point, we start out by drawing basic pictures and using scribble writing. From there, they start developing the grip of their pencil and they start writing random letters and begin to sound out words. They put the words together and we work on different convention skills and pay attention to important fundamentals that all good beginning writers use, like using finger spaces between their words, beginning with uppercase letters, having lowercase letters throughout, developing a main idea, and putting punctuation at the end of a sentence.
Is that the end of your sentence? So what do you want to put at the end? Exclamation point, very good.
Writing is teaching them how to use their own creative minds to get ideas down on paper. There's just so many different ways that we do writing, from using technology to making books, to doing author's chair, where the kids can share their own work with their peers. Writing is so important for kindergarten students. It helps them with their fluency. It helps them with their vocabulary. It helps them become better readers. Integrated learning is a great strategy for kindergartners because we incorporate reading, writing, science, social studies, and math throughout our day with topics that are of interest to kindergartners. Integrated learning really promotes learning on a deeper level.
Oh, look how big this is.
What do you say, you guys? They look bigger?
Yeah.
For instance, if you're talking about oceans, you can read a book about different fish. You can talk about the science of how fish swim. You can have students draw pictures of fish and count them, and later have them write their own fish story. Integrated learning is a strategy we often use throughout the year to keep learning cohesive for kindergarten students.
Good job using those describing words.
In Tempe Elementary, we use Common Core Standards, which encompasses everything that a kindergartner needs to know about math to go on to first grade. The neat thing, in Tempe Elementary, we use Common Core Standards, which encompasses everything that a kindergartner needs to know about math to go on to first grade. The neat thing with our math is we use a lot of manipulatives, so the kids get that hands-on experience, so they're not just looking at a worksheet. We are giving them something to manipulate, and it really impacts their development when they have hands-on learning instead of just looking at a worksheet and filling it out with a pencil.
2, hold up your 2, plus 6 equals, you put them together. Count how many you have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job! And write it after the equal sign. All right.
We try to use math all throughout the day and not just in math time. We talk about the days of the week. We count how many days we've been in school, and we count to 100. We learn about number patterns, and it's very important for children to know all these things in order to function in their everyday life, and it's a fun way for them to learn. Specials are a place where a lot of the academic concepts taught in the classroom are reinforced. We have music and PE twice a week. We have library and computer lab once a week. Are reinforced. We have music and PE twice a week. We have library and computer lab once a week. Special area teachers work hand in hand with all the grade level teachers once a week. Specials are a place where a lot of the academic concepts taught in the classroom are reinforced. We have music and PE twice a week. We have library and computer lab once a week. Special area teachers work hand in hand with all the grade level teachers, and kindergarten is no exception. Special area teachers help mirror the curriculum being taught in class with their own. So when kindergarten goes to music and they're learning about the ocean, they might sing about the ocean. Then the child is more engaged because they just learned about fish living in the ocean and reading, and they are bringing that knowledge with them to music. Now, you have a greater understanding of what happens each and every day in our classrooms. Children thrive in our kindergarten program because we provide the foundation of skills and experiences every child needs to be a lifelong learner. Our kindergarten teachers make learning fun, exciting, and memorable. We're proud to be home to the best kindergarten program in Arizona.